The presidential election in the United States takes place every 4 years. The only qualifications to run for president are to be a natural-born citizen, have resided in the country for 14 years, and be at least 35 years old. There are two main political parties in the U.S., the Republicans and the Democrats. Each party must choose its candidate for the presidential election. This is done by having a public vote in every state and territory of the United States to win delegates. Delegates are party members with the power to vote for the presidential candidate at their respective parties' conventions in July. Now, the real campaign begins, and the candidates begin yet another tour around the USA to plead their case. The main election takes place on November 8th, when Americans cast their vote for president. In the United States, the president is determined by a system called the Electoral College. The Electoral College is comprised of people in each state called electors. There are 538 electors in the U.S., and candidates need 270 electoral votes to win. The magic number of 270 votes is not as simple as it seems, because not every state is equal. The amount of electoral votes the state gets is determined by its population. When one of the candidates is finally chosen on November 8th, they begin assembling their cabinet and the old president begins preparing to leave the White House. The new president of the United States is inaugurated on January 20th. We were able to illustrate the complicated election process in the US in only 96 seconds using Explain Everything on the iPad. You too can explain everything. Go to www.explaineverything.com to see how. What are gravitational waves? Why were they such a major breakthrough in physics? Albert Einstein's theory suggests that space and time are interlinked.